Yes, 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 we are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben, and welcome to my channel. XRP is going crazy. Bitcoin is not really going crazy too much, but it's going up. Things are looking green right now. We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about pretty much the whole crypto market. Shout out to everybody that's here. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Definitely hit that subscribe button, because over here I just pretty much deal with the chart, guys. I deal with the charts, and in my opinion, the chart is all you need, because there's patterns on the chart that basically repeat themselves over and over and over, and you could take advantage of that. If you want to learn more about that, definitely hit that subscribe button. If you are watching that replay, you can actually hit settings, speed, and maybe click on 1.5 or 2, so you can actually speed up the video, cut it in half. So hey, let's get this thing started. Of course, during the live stream, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only, okay? And so let me give you guys a round of applause. It definitely been a crazy day when it, in the crypto world. I actually did a live stream earlier talking about crypto. Talk about the XRP pump, and so we're going to talk about it a little bit more today. So shout out to everybody that's here: Alex, J.A., Eric, Troy, Kevin, 8, Troy. What's going on, guys? So guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Right now things are just popping, and this looks crazy right now. And we're going to talk about what's going on, how I feel, do I think this thing is going to last, and on and on and on. But shout out to everybody that's here. So let's see. Hey, what's going on, MK? What's going on, Kim? Ken? What's going on, Dom? BJ? Shout out to everybody that's here. So you said you're new, so shout out to you. I can't really pronounce your name, but shout out to you. BJ, what's going on? Iga, what's going on? Kurt, what's going on? So guys, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm definitely going to get to your guys' questions. I'm quite sure a lot of people want to know what's going on. Like, should we buy? Should we what should I do? What's going on here? But definitely fireworks in the crypto market today. Definitely those fireworks in that crypto market today. So shout out to people that's making money. Shout out to the people that's making money from this. That's good to hear. So let's see if I see any questions before I get this thing started. CoinMarketCap. Let's see. Actually, let's go to CoinMarketCap real quick. Right now it's at 209 billion. The volume is still low. With the Bitcoin. Let me see here. XRP up 41% right now. I think it was higher earlier. Pretty much everything is green right now. Only XRP is the one that's pretty much going up like crazy. I guess because of the news today. But everything else to me just looks normal. Okay, so XRP is the only one right now out of the bunch is just going crazy, but everything else looks normal, percentage wise. So that's what we're going on. What's just going on with that? Let's see if I see any questions in the chat room. Okay, Troy said this is a pump and dump. Troy said probably hit 68 or 69 in nosedive. So Vision, you new to the chat room. Did you hear my videos before though? You said I love. You said I love what you do, Big Ben. I'm looking forward to buying your course. So shout out to you, Vision. Are you? I'm quite sure you're not new. You're just probably new to the chat, to the live stream. So shout out to you. If you definitely want to get the course today, I would definitely give you guys that discount later on. Iga said I lost a lot of money today. Iga, what coin you lost money on? What coin you lost money on, Iga? What's going on, Keith? What's going on, Keith? Punk said he's small town. Okay, that's what's up. Santa Barbara. Okay. Let me see. You holding XRP? No, I'm not holding X. Well, I have a little bit of XRP, but it's not a lot. I sold most of my XRP last year because I made my profits. Brandon said, let's see how the XRP in the 7,000 shorts played out. What's going on, Mr. 66? You said you closed your short. Oh, okay, the Ethereum short. Yeah, Iga, you should have just waited for another a cleaner setup. You should have just waited for a cleaner setup. All right, so guys, if you have any questions for me, let me know. I've been doing this for 11 years, so I would definitely try to get to all your guys' questions. So let me see. Eclipse said, "Do you think this is the end of the bear market?" It's very hard to tell when the end of the bear market is, but if I had to guess, my answer would be no. This is not the end of the bear market. Honestly, in my opinion, the bear market just started. In my opinion, and we will talk more about that later on. But yeah, the bear market, in my opinion, just started. Ken said, Ben, when are you gonna make your day trading course? I've been so busy. I'm trying to figure it out myself. Hopefully soon. Iga says some steamers says about ending of the bear market. Well, they don't know, so they just talking trash. What's going on, Randy? Oh, you've been following since February, but you're probably new to the live stream. Okay, shout out to you. TC said I'm new to the channel. Shout out to you. Actually, let me give you all your new guys a round of applause. Thanks a lot for coming through. If you're new to the channel, thanks a lot for stopping by. If you have any questions, let me know. Guys, this is what I do full time. So, if you have any questions, let me know. But I want to thank you guys for stopping by and, talking about crypto and talking about the charts. Because me personally, I only focus on the charts because it tells the whole story. Fashar said XRP is on the way to the moon. Keith, shout out to Keith. Left Lane says, what's up, man? Just stopping by overnight shift, but I will tune in live tomorrow. Shout out to you. What's going on, Mr. Sandy? Blues Bros, what's going on? Yeah, I watched them before. Wow, what's up? What's going on? Blues Bros, yeah, I watched them before. Fasad said, I'm helping with the XRP fireworks today. How was that? Are you buying the XRP? That's why you say you're helping? That's why you say you're helping? So I'm going through these questions right now, guys. I'm going through these questions. Do you think ETF will affect Bitcoin price a lot? No, I don't think ETF will affect the Bitcoin price a lot. And well, I guess the question is a lot to the upside or the downside. I guess that's my next question. So, do you mean to the upside or do you mean to the downside? Mota said, hey, should I buy XRP now or wait till it drop? Shout out to you guys, man. Shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for stopping by. If you don't know who I am, my name is Big Ben. I'm a professional trader and a swing trader, guys. I do this full time, okay? And what I do is I always tell my subscribers to always learn how to read the charts, because the charts will always save you, okay? Because it will tell you the whole story. Right now, who asked that question? Let me see. Moto asked that question. Should he buy XRP or wait till it drop? First of all, I'm not buying anything right now because if you know. Second of all, I can't give nobody financial advice. But me personally, I'm not buying anything right now because we are still in the bear market. Okay, I'm not gonna be that guy, guys. I'm not gonna be that guy that's just buying just because things are going up. I am a professional, so I try to help you guys to get to that level. You want to get to that level. You want to be a professional because, you know, if you deal with the other cryptocurrencies, deal with other people in the cryptocurrency world, these guys are just straight up loose and they treat this like a video game. So I want you guys to be pros. I don't want you guys to get excited when you see prices go up. Okay, I want you to be calm because we all know that we are in a bear market and things could get ugly. Okay, I don't want you to be like Ripple Bob or XRP Joe and start mortgaging your house and buy everything. Okay, I don't want you guys to do that. I want you guys to be smart. I want you guys to treat your money with respect. Your hard-earned money, the money that you worked pretty much your whole life for, okay? Treat it with respect, guys. And the only way you're going to do that is just to learn how things work. The overall world market is still in the bear market. So I'm not going to be that, I'm not going to be FOMO Billy and buy just because the market is going up. Okay? It's just, you have to understand what the market is doing. It's basically, it's pulling back. So let me see, guys. Keith said, I would love a day trading course, but I need to get this sweet trading crypto down. Honestly, Keith, the day trading course will actually help you with the swing trading too. Because whenever I decide to make that day trading course, it will, it's gonna be more advanced and it's gonna give you more strategies to work with, and it's gonna give you a different way to look at the market. Let me see. I've been in the background. Best believe I've been watching your videos over. What's going on, Beamer Bros? Shout out to Beamer. Yo, Beamer been killing it. Shout out to Beamer. Beamer is actually Beamer. He's actually in the Discord room. Okay, I have a Discord room. He's in the Discord room and he's been killing it. Beamer is actually one of my students. I think he made, what is you made over like $1,500 today, $1,000 or something like that. I think from XRP, he been killing it. So shout out to you, man, making this money. Let's get this crypto all day, guys. Let's get this crypto. Okay, so if you're new to my channel and you don't know what this is all about, you're saying to yourself, man, how people's making money? Well, guys, you really have to study the market. Okay, the market is not all about waiting for a ETF to get approved, or waiting for a certain coin to go live, or waiting for certain news. The market is about reading and understanding how it works, okay? And you can actually make money regardless of what's going on, okay? Let's see. Brandon said, already seeing YouTubers say this is the bull run. Oh man, guys, this is a wrap. It's a wrap, man. I see it already, guys. I saw a couple of YouTubers, because I didn't go deep into it, but I definitely saw a couple of YouTubers saying, guys, I think this is it. I think this is the bottom. Oh man, this is getting out of control. All right, so let me see if I see any questions before I get out of here. Not get out of here, before I go over some charts. Fashard said XRP by the end of the year, $20. Okay, you know, if you feel like that, all right, no problem. Eclipse, if good news, do you think Bitcoin will go on a bull run? No. Eclipse, no, I don't think it will go on a bull run. No. Motto said, what's your prediction on XRP by the end of this year? I don't really have a prediction, because no one knows what XRP is going to do by the end of this year. And if someone tells you, they just probably just trying to, you know, gas you up. But XRP right now is just doing a pullback. Brandon said XRP FOMO is about to get real. Yeah, definitely about to get real. Okay. For real, man. For real. FOMO Billy, son. Oh my gosh. Well, we got a troll already. Okay, we got someone that's promoting XRP, talking about buy it already. All right, so guys, yeah, XRP is up 42%. Okay, so guys, Fashad said he made over 18,000 on XRP. That's nice. That's nice. Now, guys, over here, guys, if you're new to my channel, once again, welcome. But over here, guys, I'm trying to, what's going on, Davina Perry? I didn't see you. What's going on? I try to help you guys to become professionals, because that's what you want to become, right? You want to get to that level where you don't have to depend on nothing. Imagine having power to wake up, turn on your computer, look at the charts, and make money. Let me say that again, because I don't think most people heard me correctly, okay? Wake up, turn on your computer, look at the charts, and make money. Trying to get you guys to that level, okay? When it comes to that swing trading, you know, swing trading with the cryptos, okay? Now, most people in the cryptocurrency world, all they know how to do, guys, all they know how to do is buy, buy, buy. I'm going to buy this coin. I'm going to hold it. All right. I'm going to buy it and I'm going to hold it. Okay. These guys don't even understand how a bull market works, how a bear market works, how the market works in general. Okay. And these guys are the guys that's going to get hurt the most. Okay, so for all you guys that are excited about this XRP run, I am happy for you guys. I'm happy. Trust me. I want you guys to be excited, okay? But at the same time, over here, I'm trying to build professionals. So I don't want you guys to get too excited, because when you get too excited, you have to understand you're gonna let your guards down, okay? And when you let your guards down, then that's when they will take advantage of you, okay? Now, for the people that believe that this is the bottom and we're going to moon up and this is it, we're going to the moon, you have to understand, guys, that the overall picture, guys, is this is a bear market, okay? Look at XRP, guys. Look at it. Look at it. Does this look like a bull market? No. Okay, XRP peaked out and just dropped like a rock. Okay, so you guys have to understand that we are still in a bear market, and I don't want you guys over here to get hurt and depressed because XRP next week is going to crash again. Okay, because you have to understand, right? This year, what? Let me see. Let me zoom out. Okay, so this year, XRP is down. Man, let me delete this. XRP is down. How much? Let me see. Probably around 92%, around there. Okay. It went down 92%. Okay, so if we squeeze this up, and at the current price, it's still down 86% for this year, right? So for you guys that are screaming bull market, yay, 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 you have to understand the overall big picture, guys. I'm trying to set you up to be a professional and help you guys to become the 10%. The 10%ers instead of the 90%ers, okay? Because 90% of people in the crypto space is going to lose a lot of money. I want you guys to be in a different group. In order to get in that group, you have to learn how the market works. You have to understand what condition or cycle that we are in. Because if you don't, your feelings is always going to get hurt. Always, okay? So right now, Ripple is down 86%, and what you are looking at right now is just a simple pullback in a bear market. Let me repeat that again. It's a simple pullback in a bull market. Okay, so this pullback, honestly, guys, this pullback right here, right now, is not even close to the other pullbacks we had. Okay. So if you look in the past, we had much bigger pullbacks. Much bigger pullbacks, okay? We had a pullback right here that was much bigger. Hold on, let me scoot this over. Okay, we had a pullback right here that was way bigger right here. Okay, that was way bigger, and it just shot right back down. We had another pullback right here that was way bigger than the one that we're seeing right now, and went right down. Okay, so I don't want you guys to be Ripple Bob or XRP Joe that always FOMO and saying, hey man, this is the bottom. Okay, I don't want you guys to be that guy, because you have to understand that this is not a video game, guys. This is a business, and you are competing against the best of the best. Guys, most of you guys think this is a market where you just read the white paper, you do your research, and you say, hey man, I love this company, I believe in this company, so this company must go up. It's not about that, guys. It's about understanding the cycles, understanding when to get aggressive, when not to get aggressive, understanding when to buy, when not to buy, understanding when to take profits, when not to take profits, understanding how to take profits off the table and buy the pullbacks. Okay, so you have to understand that every single market is not the same. Okay, so for your XRP guys, I understand that you are excited. I get it. I'm happy for you guys. Trust me, I'm happy. I want you guys to be smiling. Okay, but I also don't want you guys to do something stupid and lose all your money. Okay, because I know a lot of people are going to buy Ripple right now, and most likely they are going to be mad maybe in a couple of weeks, because I believe Bitcoin will still go down, and I believe it will drag Ripple with drag Ripple along. So guys, you have to understand that when I look at the market, I don't get too excited. I don't get too sad. I just try to keep, try to be level and try to concentrate, because you have to understand, when you're too excited or when you're too sad, you can't think right. You can't think right when you're too excited or when you're too sad. Okay, imagine trying to take a test. Imagine trying to take a test. Let's say that you're, I don't know. Let's say that something happened to your dog or something, right? And you're mad and you're sad. Imagine trying to take a test and concentrate and trying to take that test. It's going to be hard. You can't focus because you're thinking about your dog. Okay, so when you're sad or when you're too excited, you can't really think right. So I want you guys to try to not be the rest. Okay, let's be professionals over here, because the professionals always come out on top. Now, if you look at last year, we had that bull market. Okay, the best strategy was to buy every single dip. Okay, when the market was going up, buy the dip. Market up, going up, it dipped, you buy it. Buy the dips, whatever. Right now, the bear market is the same, but in reverse. So instead of buying the dips, you sell every rally. Okay, every time Bitcoin rallies or any coin rallies, pulls back, you sell that pullback. Okay, so Bitcoin pulls back, you sell it. Bitcoin pulls back, sell it. Pull back, sell it. Pull back, sell it. Pull back, sell it. So I'm looking to sell every pullback until the market tells me not to sell every pullback. Okay, this is how you play it, and this is how you make money. You don't try to guess the bottom, because most people have been guessing the bottom the whole year and been losing money. So, I just shake my head. So let me see if I see any questions, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. If you want to figure this thing out and learn how to make money in this current market without getting tricked, then hit that subscribe button, because me and my students are making money. Shout out to Beamer Bros. Beamer Bros has been killing it. Making over $1,000 today. Let me see if I see any questions here. If you have any questions, if you are late, not late, but if you have any questions, period, let me know. See if I definitely get to your questions. Eclipse said, if you're not buying or you're not selling, how you making money? What coins do you have? Eclipse, I'm selling right now. I'm not buying anything. Okay, so I'm selling. Okay, pretty much I'm selling when most people are buying. So that's how I make my money. I'm not doing anything. I'm not buying anything. The overall picture is down, guys. I look at the overall view of the market. That's how you do it. I never ever go against the major trend, because the major trend is the guys with the big money. Okay, the guys that have the big money, that the guys that control the market. If I try to buy the market, you know, and these guys are selling, I'm going to get wrecked. All right, so let's see if I see any questions. Kinsley said you guys should have bought XRP August 14, so cheap. I don't know what you mean by August 14 so cheap. We in a bear market, so everything is cheap right now, and things could go lower. Alrighty here. So I'm trying to look over these questions. Guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Keith said Bima have a gift like Neo. Yeah, he's killing it over here, man. He's killing it. Alex said it's not a bull run, it's a trap, and I agree with Alex. Okay, this is a trap. You know, more like a pullback in the bear market. Okay. And my thing is, okay, my thing is fine. Okay, I know you want to get excited. I understand that. You know, you're reading XRP articles or the good news or whatever comes out. Okay, fine. I hear that part. But my thing is, how many times are you going to get tricked or be tricked or whatever? Or how many times they're going to trick you? Because every single time XRP goes up, people say, hey guys, this is the bottom, and it goes right back down. So how many times are you going to be that guy that say, hey man, this is the bottom? Are you tired of that? Okay, that's the question right now. Are you tired of that? Because I don't know about you, but I'd definitely be tired of that. That's like, you know, that's like going out with a girl or you know, going out with a girl and a girl say, hey man, you know, I love you, and then next week she cheat on you, right? And you find out, and then you say, hey man, what, you know, why you cheat on me for? Oh, I'm sorry baby, I won't do it again. A month goes by, she cheat on you again. Oh baby, I won't do it again. You take her back. Next week she cheat on you again. Oh baby, I won't do it again. So how many times are you going to go through that cycle, guys? I don't get it. What do I think about Ethereum? I don't think nothing about Ethereum right now. I think Ethereum got hit hard, and it's bouncing. So I think, honestly, guys, I think we are still in a bear market, and things will continue. It's just what it is. If you've been listening to my live streams, you know that I said that we hit this 6,061 level so many times, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what that's telling me is there's a lot of pressure underneath this level. It's a lot of pressure. So almost a year, Bitcoin been bouncing off these levels, right? So eventually, when that pressure release, I think things will get ugly, and I think it will go below those levels, because if you look at it, every time it's bouncing off of that 6,000 level, the bounce is getting shorter and shorter. Look at it, it's getting shorter and shorter. So honestly, guys, just be careful. I'm telling you right now, just be careful. I've been doing this for 11 years. I've been through a bear market before, guys. It's not pretty. And a lot of people will lose a lot of money just because they think they know everything. Let me see if you're looking for YouTube. Shout out to Keith. Yeah, hit these likes, guys. Hit these likes. What's going on, John? How do you know when things are going to going bullish? John, you would look for higher highs, higher lows. That's one indication, okay? Another indication is I want to see more volume, especially in Bitcoin, okay? Back in December, January, we was getting 13, 18, 20 billion dollars, okay? So I want to see volume and I want to see higher highs, man. I don't want to see Bitcoin going down and I'm saying, "Hey, man, I'm buying the bottom." No. It doesn't work like that. Okay? I want to see the buyers come in so I can say, okay, let's see if this thing's going to go up. 8 said YouTubers is going crazy. Yep. YouTubers is definitely going crazy. Actually, they probably making a lot of money right now because these all their followers is getting hype. Hey, what's going on, Crypto Inspo? He said he finally made it, man. I don't know where you been. You've been MIA for a long time, for at least what, 4 months? I don't know. You said XRP looking good for a good short. Yeah, eventually. Guys, if you're new to the channel, if you have any questions, if you are XRP lover. And you have any questions about the chart, let me know. If you feel like this is the bottom, state your reasons why, and I will see if if things make sense. But if you have any questions, let me know. And guys, if you're new to the channel, don't think that I'm a permanent bear and I hate cryptos and I want things to go down. It's not that. It's not. That's not the case. I'm trying to help you guys not to lose money. Okay, that's what I'm trying to do. Okay, so since I understand how to read the charts, I understand we basically in a bear market. And if you've been following me for a long time, you know that I've been telling my subscribers, chill out, don't buy the bottom, don't keep on buying these dips. So if you've been following me, you've been either you saved money or you made money. Okay, these other YouTubers, they've been telling you to buy the dips, so you've been losing money the whole year listening to most of these YouTubers. I quit my job 2 weeks ago, okay? So what you do right now? So you said school is rough, no life. I'm trying to balance crypto and life. Okay, I hear you. So are you working right now, Crypto Inspo? You're not working at all? Eight said this is not a healthy growth. So shout out to Eighth. He's 100% correct. Okay, this is why, guys, this is why you have to learn how to read the markets. He's 100% correct. This is not healthy, guys. This is not healthy. When the market just shoot up like this is just a pump. Okay, this is what we call a pump. This is not healthy, and it's not sustainable. So you just have to understand that we overall in the bear market. Crypto Inspo, gotta go with wifey to the date night. I will watch the video later. Thanks for the thanks Ben for the video. So shout out to you, Crypto Inspo. Good night. Kaching. Leslie Savage says, since I've been following Big Ben, haven't had much sleep, studying real hard and making money. Ching. Shout out to Leslie Savage for making his money out here. What's going on, King? What's going on, King? Peter White said, Ben, your principles and discipline has saved me thousands. It will make me hundreds of thousands long term. So let me give him a round of applause, because He's exactly what I was just talking about. Okay, what I was just talking about. If you've been following me for the whole year, you either save money or you made money. Okay, because I either told you, hey man, chill out, stop buying the bottoms, or I gave you a system or strategy that allows you to make money. So shout out to him. I think someone said they actually wanted to get the course. I think someone said they wanted to get the course, so I forgot about. Someone asked me in the beginning. Actually, let me see who asked me that in the beginning. Someone asked me about the course in the beginning. Let's see if he's still here. And shout out to everybody that's here, guys. Like I said before, if you have any questions, let me know. Let me see who that was. I know in the beginning someone asked me about my course. Sheesh. I don't know where it's at, but for the person that asked me about my course, he was waiting for that discount. Shout out to you. I'll give you that discount right now. During the live stream, I'll give you guys that discount for the course. So let me get that over with so I can go back to the charts. If you don't have this course by now, check it out. It's the best course on the crypto market, period, hands down. Read the testimonials if you don't believe me. It will show you how to be a professional. It will show you how not to get wrecked when the market is going down. It will show you how to make money in the bear and the bull market. Okay. And it's basically recession proof. Okay. Meaning that when the market is not doing anything and is bleeding, you can still make money. Okay. You can go here and read the testimonials. Shout out to Bima. He's been making a lot of money. He's actually one of my students. And also this comes with a Discord room, so you can chat with me and my students. We post charts. We chat about crypto. So let me copy and paste that link to that person that actually wanted to get that. And anybody else that, okay, it was you, Vision. Okay, so shout out to Vision. Vision, let me know when you get the course, because I want to make sure that I tell you to email me because I want to send that Discord link to you. Okay. All right. So I'm definitely just go through these questions real quick. Watching your course now, I made a lousy couple of bucks today. Luckily, I have a job, but would you wait on this to turn bullish and let it sit on BTC? So shout out to Miles. You said that you're watching my course now. You made a couple of bucks today. No, I'm not waiting for nothing to turn bullish. Right now, we are still in a bear market, so no, I'm not waiting for no bullish or anything like that. Let me go through these questions. What's going on, Bruno? Do you think 3,500 XRP will be a life-changing, Ben? I don't know. I mean, what price you bought XRP at? Then when you will know when bullish time. John, I don't know. I'm trying to figure out your question. Shout out to Keith. Keith gave me that $20 super chat. Let me give him that round of applause. Shout out to Keith, man. Keith is a hard-working guy, man. He's a hard-working guy. He's going to be real successful in life. I can tell. I can tell already he's going to be a real successful trader because he's patient. Thanks for that super chat. He says, shout out to Ben and his professional trading channel. Pick up his course if you're new here and become a successful trader. So shout out to Keith. Thanks a lot for that super chat. And thanks a lot for shouting me out. I appreciate it, Keith. What's going on, HD? What up? You said you made 50% return on XRP pump. Yes. A lot of people made money off that pump. A lot of people made money off that pump. Okay. So that's good. I'm glad you saw it. I was actually in a Discord room. Bima said he made money off that. So shout out to you, man. Shout out to you guys that's making money off this thing. You know, off that XRP pump. Shorts are getting shorter. G Slick says shorts are getting shorter. I don't know what that means, G Slick. Keem Caffey said I'm hoping it dips. GG said I'm always here on the live chats. Thanks for your reliable analyst. I have learned so much from you. Shout out to Big Ben. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, GG. Thanks for coming through. Thanks a lot for, you know, just coming through and chilling out with me. I appreciate it. And once again, thanks a lot, Keith, for that super chat. I appreciate it. Definitely do. Robert said this is just temporary, one pump. It's still a year, guys. And that's so funny. The reason why I'm laughing because you know, people, I just shake my head because I don't get why people still are able to get fooled so easy. Like I don't get it. Because, you know, we've been going through this the whole year, guys. We've been going through this the whole year. Pump, dump. Pump, dump. Pump, dump. Pump, dump. Pump, dump. Pump. Like, how many times do you have to go through that emotionally to say enough is enough? I'm not going to, you know, they're not going to fool me this time. You know, I don't get it. I just don't get it. That's why I said, guys, I want you guys to be professionals, man. I don't want you guys to be the rest, you know, like the rest of these stupid crypto, like the crypto community, because they all of them is just blind. It's the blind leading the blind. Most of your YouTuber, your favorite YouTuber, most of those guys are not doing this for a living, guys. They're not doing this full time. It's just what it is. So Mark said XRP will crash. Everything will crash. Mini boom. XRP is a flop. I hate BTC. Yeah, crazy. Crypto is the next dollar scam. Oh man, this is funny, guys. Y'all guys making me laugh. Crypto is the next scam. Yeah, I actually had a serious talk about crypto and what if this is just all a front, you know. I had that, I think, a couple of streams ago. People getting me sick in this XRP hole. XRP isn't going nowhere for a long time. They guys make me laugh. Oh man. James said XRP actually does something. What does BTC do? Well, let's be you know, BTC is the first cryptocurrency, so it is the brand, right? It is the face of cryptocurrency, so it holds weight when it comes to that. And even XRP is not really doing anything right now. They just testing out. If you want to be technical, they're just testing out things. So XRP is not really doing anything either. So if you want to get technical, Mark said it's all BS. Shout out to Mark. So Mark, let me ask you a question, Mark. You think that crypto is a scam? You think what? You think most of these coins are going to zero? Keith said, appreciate you, Ben. Yeah, no problem, man. What's going on, Mike? Brandon said, I'm up 300 short. Nice. This live stream started. Let's see how this pump pans out for the bulls. So Brandon, you up $300. What did you short XRP? Because XRP right now is pulling back. Brandon, did you short XRP? XRP did a nice little pullback. Let's go to the 1 hour. I went to the 1 minute. Let's go to the one. Well, this is the 1 minute, but so basically XRP is pulling back a little bit. Let me see if I see any questions. What does BTC do? What does BTC do? What a troll. I don't know. Oh, you talking about Mike? Okay, I see what you're talking about. BTC is like the sun. It's always shining over the earth. Mike said emotions are high for sure. Yeah, definitely high. Okay. BTC stores value. BTC is the only. Mike said he's heard it on the YouTube somewhere. Oh man. Hey, what's going on, Scotty? You said I can see XRP in July this year now 400. I don't get Scotty. I don't get what you're trying to say. Are you trying to say you can see XRP at 3,200 or $3? Because I'm trying to figure out. Are you saying the right number? You can see XRP at 3,000 in July this year at 400. I'm trying to make sure that you are saying the right things. What's going on, Bobby? Leslie Savage said crypto took a lot of people's money, including mine. Most of them are scams for real. Oh man. So that's right, because overall, guys, we don't need all these cryptocurrencies, guys. We don't need all these cryptocurrencies. I mean, this is honestly it's getting ridiculous. Most of these cryptocurrencies is not doing anything. We don't need this many, okay? And this is why I tell you guys that most of these coins have to go down, because most people don't understand a currency is something that you pretty much, you're going to try to use it back and forth, okay? Bitcoin is supposed to be something that you use back and forth. People are not using Bitcoin. People are not using XRP. People are not using Ethereum. People are not using any of these coins. So we don't need all these coins, guys. We don't need all these coins, honestly, I don't even know why we call them currencies, because we're not even using these guys, using these coins. So going back to what I said in the beginning of my live streams, when I first started to go live, I said that I believe the market will continue to go down because we have to get rid of most of these crap coins. Okay? In order to get rid of these crap coins, the market has to continue to go down. There's no other way. Okay? So that's why I believe that the bull market won't be tomorrow. It probably most likely won't be this year. So you have to understand how things work. This is why I always say that. You always have to understand how things work. You can't expect a bear market to all of a sudden be over with and the bulls comes in. Okay, you have to understand that bear markets last for years. If you don't believe me, just go back and look at Bitcoin chart. I'm not talking negative. I'm just talking reality. Look at the charts. This is what's going to save you and make you become a professional. Because once you start thinking that the bear market is over every single time your coin goes up, then you're just gonna literally like just be out of it. Like every single time you're just gonna be disappointed. So I'm trying to help you guys say, hey man, you can hold your coin. You can still hold your coin, fine, if you want to do that. But at the same time, you can still make money in a bear market. You can still make money in the bear market. Okay? When you want to buy is when you see the bull market return. And if you do buy, like for example, let's say that you do buy things like this, you take your profits. Okay? You take your profits. You don't want to hold a big blast like this. You never want to, like, if anybody bought this right here, of course I'm not giving nobody financial advice, but you want to take your profits, something like that, you know. You want to take profits like this, okay? XRP is pulling back. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Let's see if Bitcoin is pulling back. Bitcoin is up right now, so it's not pulling back now. So when you know in the bear market, you want to take your profits. You don't want to hold long term. You want to learn how to make money playing the swings. Okay, swings is basically pullbacks. Okay, imagine how much money you play if you playing the pullbacks in this market instead of buying the dips. So basically what I'm saying is, let's say that you decided to save that dip money that you was buying the dips with, okay, the money that you was buying the dips with, instead of taking that money, okay, and buy the dips and just waiting for that bull market, you take that money instead and play these swings. That happens all the time. The market never goes straight up or straight down. It has pullbacks. You play these pullbacks, boom, 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 boom. You generate money from that. Okay, so when that bull market returns, you have more money to play with. Okay, you have to practice. Okay, practice like anything else. You practice, you get good, and you start making money. Just what it is. If I can do it, a guy that never went to college or anything like that, trust me, you can do it too. If you guys have any questions, guys, let me know. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Vision, did you pick up the course yet? Vision, did you get the course yet? Let me see if I see any questions here. Yeah, smash the likes. The likes is not going to hurt you. Hey, what's going on, Maria? You said what my thoughts on Pundi? I don't really have no thoughts on that coin right now because I looked at it before. It's basically it's weak like most of these coins right now. So honestly, I don't know. I don't really have any thoughts on any of these coins right now at the moment. until this bear market is over. Because the reason why I'm saying that is because I want to see where most of these coins stand, or where they price wise, where they're going to be at before I even make some type of judgment. Because I think some of these coins are not either going to be here, or it's just going to be like a flat line, like no volume at all. So I just have to make a decision when I see the bear market is over, and then I go from there. Because honestly, I don't like to make my decisions based on reading a white paper. I care less about a white paper. I'm more a guy. I'm more of I want to see action. I want to see action. And most of these cryptocurrencies not really doing anything. Now I can literally say XRP is out here trying to do things. I can definitely say that XRP, it is out here doing things. Unfortunately, XRP is tied into the cryptocurrency world. So I believe that if Bitcoin goes down, XRP will go down too. All right, let me read these questions here, if I see any questions. So Brandon shorted XRP. So shout out to you. Brandon is shorting XRP right now, and XRP is pulling back. XRP is pulling back, so Brandon is actually making some money from XRP. So shout out to him. He's making that money. Let me give him a round of applause and give him that ka-ching button. And guys, if you don't know how to make money in this current market, check out this course. It's only $110. I can charge way more for this, because the results that people are getting, you know, if you are patient and basically study, you can see, you know, the testimonies that I have. So on my live stream, I give you guys that discount. So let me give you guys that. I'm gonna copy and paste that link. Vision, let me know if you picked it up. Let me see. HD Ben, I don't straight over the top it. But what's up with Vibe? It's been booming all week. Vibe, what is that? A stock? Is Vibe a stock? Okay, that's cryptocurrency. You said it's been booming all week. This doesn't look like it's booming. It looks like it's, I mean, this doesn't look booming. It just looks like a pullback. Okay, guys, shout out to everybody that's here. But guys, you have to understand the difference between booming and a pullback. Okay, look at the overall big picture, guys. I want you guys to become professionals. Okay, so I want you guys to learn. Look at the overall picture. The overall picture with the Vibe, right, is down, right? So when you see pullbacks, the market, put like this, the market will never go straight down or straight up. It's going to have pullback. So when you see this, it's just a pullback until it's not a pullback. Okay, same thing with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going down, it's pulling back until it's not a pullback. Same thing with XRP. It's going down, it's pulling back until it's not a pullback. Don't get excited when you see one green candle. This is how most people are losing a lot. Most people are down 90% or more. Okay, so they buying the dips. Every time they buy the dips, buy the dips. Bitcoin is going up, I'm gonna buy. Okay, it's going back down, I'm buying the dips. Okay, go back up, I'm buying some more. Okay, it's going back down, buying the dips. And then it's gonna come to the point where they don't have no more money to buy the dips, and then this thing is look like it's gonna roll over and go lower. So they're gonna be basically, you know, stressed out because they put all their money into a coin that just looks like it's trying to continue to go back down. So you have to understand that the bear market acts like the bull market in reverse. I think it's a way. I think it's a way that I can actually reverse the chart. I don't know how, but you know, if I reverse the chart, you can see. Okay, it's the same thing. Okay, the same way the bull market acts. Bull market will never go straight up. Okay, it always have pullbacks. Okay, always have pullbacks. So same way in the bear market. Let's go back. Scotty, I don't know exactly what you mean, Scotty. Can you please let me know what you mean? You said I can see XRP at 3,200 in July. That's what you said. So I don't know exactly what you mean, Scotty. I'm going through these questions real quick because I am behind. I'm going through these questions real quick. All right, here. Bolognax. Trying to go through these questions real quick. Man. Yeah, so HDHD said Bolognax has been starting delisting some coins. Exchanges are weeding out. Yes, they're weeding out the crap coins, definitely. So Scotty said, yeah, it was 3,000 in 2050 earlier this year. Oh, see, you confusing me, Scotty. You confusing me, because when you say 3,000, automatically I'm thinking 3,000. You know, it was at $3, $3.20 something cents. So I guess so. You say you can see it at $3.20 something cents this year. G Slick said, "Flush the crap coins down the toilet." Tim said, "I'm up $400. I mean $450 today, man. Waiting for my exit. Thanks, brother, for the lesson." So shout out to Tim. Tim is actually one of my students. Let me give him a round of applause, making his money. Making that bread. That's what's up, man. I'm glad to see that. All right, I'm trying to look at these questions right here. All righty here. Yeah, you know, a lot of these products, you know, unfortunately, even if they do have a working product, the market itself is weak. CBOE ETF is delayed. Not surprising. Not surprised. XRP, nice pullback. Yeah, like I said before, G Slick, you know, even though some coins do have something going on, unfortunately, they are tied to cryptos. HD said, my bad. I meant pumping. No problem. I never buy green coins. But you're right. Don't get too excited. Yeah, I'm just trying to, I'm not, picking on nobody. I'm just trying to help you guys to, not get too excited. Not be like the rest of the cryptocurrency community, because most of these guys are just lost. And it's like the blind leading the blind, because most of these YouTubers, all they do is just read the news. They can't even come up with, well, most of them can't come up with original content. Let's see if I see. Brandon said your live streams are both truthful and entertainment because of the comments. I know, right? Ben, what do you think about buying gold? We said buying gold long term or silver. Honestly, not right now. I wouldn't put too. I mean, if you want to buy it, you can buy it. I wouldn't put too much money into it right now. And the only reason why I'm saying that, because it's a slow vehicle right now. It's very slow. It's not been doing anything. So to me, I think it's much better vehicles out here that allow you to make more money. Ken said, man, what do you mean by that? What I think about TKY? What is that? Most of these things I don't even know. What is that? A stock? Is that a cryptocurrency or a stock? Because I don't know what a TKY is. Let me know. Low key was a good pump and dump when it came out of Binance. Maria said, how much time do you spend on average each day watching the market? Well, when I trade, I don't trade that long. I can trade depending on how I'm feeling for the day. If I want to trade from either 9 o'clock, depending on what market I'm trading. If I'm trading a crude oil, it starts around 9 o'clock. I'm trading that all the way till like 11:30. So we talking about, let me see, 10, 11. So we talking about 2 hours and a half, 3 hours max. But you have to understand that I've been looking at the markets for a long time, just studying the markets, okay? I've been studying the markets 7 days a week for a long time. Just looking at charts, back testing, looking at charts. So Vision, I don't know if you just left, but let me know. Anybody else that has this course, anybody else that got the course, let me know. Send me an email with proof that you got the course so I can send you that Discord link. You said gold and silver are better than fiat, though. Yeah, I mean, the dollar is crashing. Yes, I agree with that. I'm just talking about as in like looking for a return. Looking for a return is slow. Okay. So that's what I'm talking about. You said XRP. You said Scotty said I'm basically shorting XRP now. I hope that explains my point. Thanks for the course. I'm up 170 pounds tonight. So shout out to Scotty. Scotty's actually one of my other students. He's up 170 pounds. XRP is pulling back, guys. You looking at that. Let me give him that ka-ching button. Shout out to Scotty, and I forgot who else. Somebody else told me that they were shorting XRP. Shout out to all my students that's making money. Shout out to you guys. I'm loving it. I'm really loving it. Wee stocks. What about wheat stocks? You said you lost a lot of money buying Ripple. So Ken, was you buying the bottom? Was you buying the dips? Was you buying the dips? Ken, let me ask you, was you buying the dips this year with Ripple? HD said, what time of day do you see the most movement on average? What market are you talking about, HD? What market are you talking about? Brandon said, I'm deep in XRP profits, Ben. Your course is great, by the way. So shout out to Brandon. Yes, that's Brandon actually making that money. One of my students making this money. Let me give him that ka-ching button. All day. XRP is pulling back. So let's see how, how far this thing pulls back. HDHC says, shout out to you for showing us the way. Shout out to you, man. Thanks a lot. Oh, you said the crypto market. Honestly, I don't day trade the crypto market, so I really don't. I can't really tell which time. I only swing trade the crypto market. I don't day trade it, so I don't know exactly the time. What time I see the most movement. TLY. Oh yeah, that stock TL. That stock is pumping right now, but it's dropping because it basically hit what, close to $300. Now it's dropping hard, so be careful. Be careful out here. This thing was like what, $20 not too long ago, and it went up to $300. So this thing is dropping hard right now, so just be careful. But this thing did went up a lot, man. Went up a lot. All right, guys. So I'm about to get off this live stream. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. I'm getting tired. I definitely got to get some rest so I can day trade tomorrow. If you don't have this course by now, check it out because it is the discount during the live stream. And it comes with a Discord room so you can chat with me, my students, share charts, talk about crypto. Shen said, hodl your positions. Next run will be rewarding. Shen, hodling is cool, but we are into making money right now. Okay, so you can still hodl. This is what most people don't understand. Okay, most people don't understand. And if you're new to the channel, I want you to listen to this. Most people don't understand that you can hodl. You can hodl all you want. You can still hodl, but you can also have another strategy on the side that allows you to make money on a monthly basis. Okay, so you have to understand that it's not just all about hodling. Okay, you can always have another strategy on the side. You can always have another strategy on the side. So it's not all about hodling, guys. Okay, a bull market, it's good until it's not good. Okay, a bear market is good until it's not good. So we have to play the different cycles. You have to understand when, actually you have to understand what cycle you are in, and you go from there. Mike said hodling could last 10 years, man. Facts. King said, see you in the Discord. Yes. You have that time to wait. You have that much time to wait. Yeah, I know, right? Scotty said, respect, man. Yes. Shin said, you're wrong. Wrong about what, Shin? What we wrong about? T-Loke said, actually made $725. The rest goes to Uncle Sam. So shout out to T-Loke making his bread out here. Let me give him that round of applause. Making his money. As we speak, guys, XRP is literally like pulling back hard. Let's see if Bitcoin's pulling back. So Bitcoin looks like it's trying to pull back. All right, so XRP is pulling back. So I'm quite sure a lot of the people that told me that they were short, they're making some money off of this XRP pullback. You're wrong because the movement is too fast. Shin, you have to understand that this is why most people, like, guys, if you're new to my channel, I want you to do me a favor and just humble yourself. Humble yourself, okay? This year, humble yourself and understand how the market works, because when you come on live streams and trying to act like you know it all, that's when the market will humble you, okay? That's when the market will literally humble you because you think you know it all, okay? I want you guys to just start to sit back, become a student, and learn, okay? It doesn't matter how fast things move. If you look at the last bear market, it took 4 years for Bitcoin to go back to the highs. 4 years, okay? That was last year in an unregulated market. So you saying that things is going up fast, just study, okay? That's all I have to say, study. All right, so let's see if I see any more questions before I get out of here. Jane said ETF, the big boys keep making these dips and buying it. Ben, you said you up 67%. That was quick. That's what's up, Brandon. You making his money. What about back? What about back? James, what about back? You said Ripple made me a millionaire. I'm just repeating. So if Ripple made you a millionaire, what price you bought Ripple at? What price you bought Ripple at, okay? What price you bought Ripple at, Shin? And I want you to answer me quick, so you won't, so I know that you're not lying. I want you to answer you quick. So you bought back in 26 cents. So how? Let me know how Ripple made you a millionaire. How much did you invest? And I want you to answer me quick. How much did you invest? How much did you invest at 26 cents? And you said you made millions. How much did you invest money-wise? Hurry up. I want you to answer real quick. Hurry. Real quick. I don't want you guys to do, I don't want you to do math because, you know, you guys come on here and I can tell automatically you guys be, you know. So how much do you put it down? Okay. So James, you said what about, you said back? You said back? What about it? I don't know. Oh, you said my thoughts on back? I don't really have no thoughts on it. I'm waiting to see what's going on, and that's it. That's all. I'm waiting to see. I'm an action guy. I like to see action. I'm not a guy that just read an article and get hyped just because the article sounds good. I want to see action. Yeah, Shin. Yeah, Shin. Your story doesn't add up, Shin. Your story doesn't add up. Okay, I'm gonna tell you why your story doesn't add up. Because Mike just blew up your spot. Shout out to all my my regulars. Shout out to all my regulars. Mike just blew up your spot. Okay, your story doesn't add up. You come on here. You talking about hodling, right? And you said that you pulled out at $3.24. Okay. Let me see the high. Let me see the high of Ripple. Let me see the high of Ripple. Okay. Oh man. So basically, this guy said he pulled out pretty much exactly at the high. So he pulled out exactly pretty much at the high. Okay. But he comes in the chat room and he said hodl because taking profits and trading is a waste of time. Okay, so he just told people to hodl, and at the same time he said that he pulled out. So your story doesn't add up. So you have to do better, Shen. You have to do better than that. Your story doesn't add up. So which you know, make up your mind. Are we hodling or are we taking profits, or what we doing? James said, not been here in a while. Ben, you got more cocky. No, I ain't get cocky at all. I'm calling people out. Cocky is basically talking about yourself. Let me see here. Shout out to everybody that's here. So Shin, you said nickel and diamond. So you just nickel and dimed XRP, but you're saying hodl. So do you know the meaning of hodl? Do you know the meaning of hodl? Okay, do you know the meaning of hodl? People that hodl is still hodling right now. Oh man, these guys is funny. So James, this is what I'm talking about. James, you said you haven't been here for a while, but you said I got more cocky. You have to understand the people that I'm dealing with on a daily basis. Okay, these people are so left field with the way they think that it's very hard for me to come on here and try to talk sense to people and try to show them the right way, or you know, things that can actually help them, and they don't want to listen because their favorite YouTuber said that Bitcoin is going to $1 million. So you don't really understand the position that I'm in right now. Okay, I'm trying to basically give people the right information. Okay, Shin, I'm not talking to you no more. You know, our conversation is over with because you're not making any sense. You said hodl your position, don't pull out, but you just said you just pulled out. So I'm done with you. It's over. So let's see, guys. Do you have any more questions? Because I'm about to get out here in the next 2 minutes. Anybody have any questions? Let me know. Shout out to Brandon though, making his money. Let me give him that ka-ching button. Making his money on that XRP dip. Let's look at XRP real quick. Yeah, XRP is dipping a little bit, so he's making money off that. That's what's up. Yeah, so somebody kicked Shin out. That's good. They kicked him out. He must have said something stupid. Shin must have said something stupid. Let's see what he said. I ain't hating, bro. Just give me 2 cents. I don't know what he said. He probably said something stupid, but you know, I just can't. Honestly, guys, I can't deal with that. You know, I'm trying to give you guys some good knowledge here. I'm trying to talk back and forth, answer questions. I just can't, you know, continue to go back and talk to people that just making up stuff. Mike said, "Go get some rest." Yeah, I'm about to get some rest. Hey, what's going on, Eco? How you doing, Eco? What time are you in the Discord room? It depends. It depends. Today I was in the Discord room around, shoot, I would say, I think 11 a.m. and then I was there at like 3, then 4, then 5. So it depends. I come in and out. I come in and out. November time for XRP. Mike said you'll be lucky to have 2 cents if you hodling. Oh man, that's funny. Oh man, I just don't get, you know, I don't get it. But shout out to everybody, guys. You know, everything he said, you said everything he said was stupid. I'm trying to have a good stream, and I'm trying to just talk back and forth with you guys. But I don't need people come here and try to, you know, make up stuff. All right, guys, so I'm out of here. You said you're doing great with some 20% altcoins. Okay, that's what's up, Eco. You doing good? That's what's up. So, guys, I'm about to get out of here. Like I said, I'm about to get some rest. Shout out to Davina. She said later. So, shout out to you, Davina. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Thanks a lot, for everybody, for stopping by and chilling out with me tonight. Let me give you guys a round of applause. But yeah, shout out to you guys, man. You know, fireworks, a lot of fireworks today, guys. A lot of fireworks. You know, Ripple was just going crazy today. Okay, shout out to everybody that made money off that pump. But just to make sure that you understand that we are still in the bear market. So don't hesitate to take any profits. Of course, I'm not giving nobody financial advice, but I'm telling you, if that was me, I'd definitely be taking some profits. So thanks a lot for stopping by, guys. I appreciate it. Brandon, shout out to you. Satellite, Eco, shout out to everybody. Paul, Davina, Mike, shout out to Keith once again for that super chat. Leslie, Anybody that got the course, email me so I can give you that super chat. Talk to you guys later. Make sure you can improve yourself. Make sure you keep studying, and have a great night.